It's delicious on prime rib, indispensable in shrimp sauce, and has been used for thousands of years, not just as food, but as medicine. Today, we will be focusing on 5 important health benefits of horseradish that you probably don't know about. If you've ever inhaled at the wrong moment after taking a big bite of horseradish sauce, you already know how well it can relieve any sinus congestion that you didn't know you had 30 seconds ago. The heat from the horseradish can make your eyes water, your nose run, and your sinuses feel like they just might implode. Be very careful when you eat horseradish because if you breathe wrong, it can make you cry. But that flushing of your sinuses can be a good thing when you have a cold or allergies that leave you with a stuffy head. By taking 1/4 teaspoon of ground horseradish and holding it in your mouth until the heat goes away, you can open up that head congestion better than over-the-counter medications do. In addition to opening up your sinuses, horseradish has been shown in clinical studies to be anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, so it can help relieve the swelling in the sinus tissues and help your body fight off the infection causing the problem in the first place. Because of its anti-inflammatory effects, horseradish tea can help calm a cough. Take 1 teaspoon of freshly grated horseradish and add 1/2 cup of cool water. Then add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Do not strain and drink this up to 3 times daily as needed for a cough. Both the horseradish and honey are antimicrobial, but heat destroys that benefit in both, so use cool water, not hot. If you're learning something new, please hit that like button. Horseradish has diuretic effects, which means it stimulates your kidneys to get rid of water. This is very useful if you think you have a urinary tract infection coming on. Mix 3 tablespoons of freshly grated horseradish with 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Keep this in the refrigerator. Take 1 teaspoon of this mixture every 3 hours, starting the moment you feel a UTI coming on. Don't forget to drink plenty of fluids, especially water, throughout the day to help flush the infection from your bladder. This recipe makes 8 doses, so it should last about a day to a day and a half. If you start running a fever over 102 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you still feel like you have an infection after the batch is gone, it's time to contact your doctor. As always, if you are pregnant or nursing, if you use prescription medications or have a chronic health condition, always check with your healthcare provider to make sure that any herb you're interested in using is safe for your particular circumstance. Horseradish is a member of the cruciferous family, which includes broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and kale. These vegetables contain compounds known as isothiocyanates that have been shown in clinical studies to reduce the risk of developing certain types of cancers and possibly fighting cancers that have started to develop. While more studies are needed to prove the cancer-fighting abilities, wouldn't adding these vegetables, including horseradish, to your daily diet be a delicious way to help keep yourself healthy? If you want more information on natural ways to keep yourself healthy, click here. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the benefits of horseradish. Stay healthy. When eating horseradish, be careful how you breathe, and have a blessed week.